We are all searching for silence. Not the absence of sound, but the stillness of the mind. That elusive peace is not found in the external world. Our modern lives are built on reaction. 1,000 demands pull us away from the only place that truly matters, the architecture of our own thought. The greatest journey is the inward turn. To leave the chaos behind and walk the quiet path into your own inner wilderness. Here, you will find the answers you seek. Do not fight the internal weather. Observe it. Acknowledge the storm of anger, the fog of fear, and the bright sun of joy. All of it is temporary. Self-mastery is not about controlling the world. It is about controlling your response to it. This tiny, focused power is the true source of all lasting strength. Go inward. Be the architect of your own peace. The silence you are looking for is already waiting. You only need to sit down and listen.
AI is the most important element for our life. Nowadays, AI is used in many way. So today we are going to how to make long video from AI freely. So first of all, we need to add the VPN urban extension. So now we are enabling the VPN. Now we have to make a script for the video. So now we are copying a YouTube video which is a short video. Now we giving command to Gemini to make a script of 70 second, and the model we are using in this is absolutely free, but it can highly generate 10-second video. So we are giving to make 10-second script, and total will be 17 second. So let's wait and see. So after for a video make, okay, after making the video script, you can see Gemini AI giving 7 scene work, each 10 second, total 17 second. After this we have to check the visual prompt and the voice of each script. So after checking this, now we are going to generate the checking the model, and the limit there is a limitation using this model, but we have a hack. So after, before going to the Gemini AI, we have to connect our urban VPN to Nigeria. You have to uh, precise in this. So you have to go to the Nigeria VPN and connect this. After connecting Nigeria VPN, you have to go to the Dreaman AI, and you have to so I am login previously, so I have to log out. So you have to log out from the previous account if you have. Then okay, I am successfully logged out. Now we have to create an account, but there is a limit. So need to use we need to use an ultimate Gmail hack. So for this we need to go to this email generator website and make a copy and create a new email, and copy this and paste and make a random password, then click for continue. Okay, after continue, there will be a confirmation email. So don't panic, there is a reply. So you can go through and you can see the code. So after typing the code, okay, after successfully giving the code, now you can see this hack is properly working. by this you can make many videos. So because why are using this method, because this model can make only 10-second video and you can make two videos from this, but this is high quality. But there was the limitation, we are using ultimate Gmail hack. So now we have to disconnect it from Nigeria to United Kingdom, and it is important, otherwise you cannot generate AI video, but you can generate AI image. So now we have to refresh, and now you can see you can go through the AI video, and now you have to give the script and copy 10-second and ratio, and you have to now wait. Usually it takes 35 to 45 minutes, so I quicken the video. Now you can see the video and you can also check the video quality. So don't skip any part of this video, because after generating the AI video, then we are going to giving the audio. Without audio you cannot make is joyful of this video. So now after generating the video, we are going to a free way to make the audio. So now you can check the video quality, which is high quality and good. So we are downloading this video by clicking the download sign, and we can successfully download it without any problem. But there is a problem: when you play the video there will be a watermark. For this you can use watermark remover, or you can edit the video. So that is it is not a huge problem rather than the limitation problem. Now we are copying the second script. Now you have to go to the home screen or exploring navigation bar, and you have to give this script into this. Otherwise this will not work. If you give on this plate, you will not work. You have to go to the explore button and give the script. Now you can see the second script is generating. After waiting a while, the video generation is come to end, and you can see the video quality by hovering the mouse, and it's look nice. So we have to again download it. First of all, I have to clear something, that is, before making this video I have making 4 of the script already, because I have to research about it and find the way. So this is 2 video, and then we have to sign out because there is a limitation. So now here sign out, and we have to then connect it to Nigeria state again, and it is necessary, otherwise this is not working in your country. So after, now we have to go to the button and make a new email, and copy this new email and paste this, and make a random password and continue. after, now you have to confirm the password and we have to click on the refresh button to get the password or the confirmation pass. So after giving the confirmation pass, we have to every time give the date of birth. After filling the date of birth, we can repeat the same process again and again, and it is, you can freely make 10 or 15 videos, even more, without any limitation before the hack is known to the developer. So now we have to again change the VPN to UK, otherwise this will not work. Okay, this is connecting and successfully connect. Now you have to give the last prompt because this is my last prompt of this video, because I make previously 4, which is I cannot add in this video because of I have to go through the process, and after getting the final method, now here I am sharing with you. Okay, and the last final video is now generating. Now the final video generated, and we cannot use 11 labs because the 11 labs don't give any free tier, so we are using Sigma for our audio generation. So after giving the captcha and selecting the voice, we have to, you can find free because it is, there is no limitation. So we have to fill up the captcha, and you can select the voice you want.
Welcome to Speech.
Welcome to spheecma, where your words transform into high-quality.
Now you can generate the audio. It will take 10 or 15 seconds, and you can also generate in different language.
We are all searching for silence. Not the absence of sound, but the stillness of the mind. That elusive peace is not found in the external world.
You can listen the quality. After this, I have to copy and paste the 7 script and repeat the process.
Our modern lives are built on reaction. 1,000 demands pull us away from the only place that truly matters, the architecture of our own thought. The greatest journey is the inward turn. To leave the chaos behind and walk the quiet path into your own inner wilderness. Here, you will find the answers you seek. Self-mastery is not about controlling the world. It is about controlling your response to it. This tiny, focused power is the true source of all lasting strength.
After completing the 7 script, you can get the final result I showed previously. By this, you can make ultimate and many videos freely AI, and you
Consistency is
can
the bridge
use
between effort
this
and reward.
as
It is the daily, quiet commitment to being better.
reels and long
Even a fraction of
video or
focus today will
documentary
compound
or
into
any religion video. So now you can also make image to or video in this model. So I also make this, and using the image to video generation you can not only make 10 second but also 13 to 1 minute video. You can see this is 35-second video which I use 10 or 9 frame, and the video quality is so good. Enjoy.